I'm making a quick video about my WR250F. Here it is. Front. Now the problem I was facing is that I would have a no start condition. It would not start, or it was hard to start. Check spark, check fuel, check air, check compression, everything is good. So then I checked valve clearances, I checked timing, checked carburetors, all of that stuff. Everything came out good. And now what ended up being the problem, I'll go ahead and show you guys here. Right down here where your coil is, you have this wiring. And in my case, the connection inside of this clip here, it broke loose and was no longer making the connection. So what I did is I took out that yellow tab, and inside there's a plastic clip. Push that down with a little pin or a screwdriver and it will release the terminal inside. Replace the terminal, crimped on the wire, pop it back in, and it started right up. It worked fine. Now before I did that, I was having to kick my life away and I would get nothing but a sputter. And if it did start, it would run for maybe 5-10 seconds and it would shut off. So if you're facing that same issue and you checked everything and everything checks out, your problem very well could be your ignition coil wiring. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, go ahead and comment. I'll catch you guys on the next one.